Kill all of your Pokemon.
It's great.
Yeah. If someone out
holy
here,
crap.
if someone out there that's easiness. That was nasty. That was also nasty. I'm so sorry for your ears. Sore. That's just fake at this point. Jesus Christ, you're absolutely disgusting. As always, every episode is on this Oddfellows channel, and every episode is on this.
Even Steven.
Fuck my stomach. That was unnecessary. That's not even soda. You're drinking water. You know, if I won that, then I would have made you pick.
Excuse me.
Stumpfist instead.
Yep, exactly. A little bit of suffering, you know.
Dude, sock. Let's go. Did my game just freeze? My game just froze. Oh hey, look, it's Mr. Elder. Elder. Letting is also bulky with no attack, even though it gets fucking Iron Fist or whatever. You're disgusting. You are absolutely repulsive. I'm sorry, I probably just made all the viewers yawn. That is disgusting. That is nasty. I just puked. Really hard. How do you do that? How much gas do you have in your fucking tank? Chill. Are you good? You are so.
This is on your channel.
Really good moves. Wish you won't.
No.
My man Tubby Lovey's out here fucking shit up. My boy. Do you have any decency? Any decency? Rest? No. Sleep talk? No.
Finish.
Oh, I didn't even realize you were on end.
Yep.
Whoopsies.
Oh, gosh. Alright. I hope I'm over it now. I think we're good.
I actually did not realize you were on end.
Yeah, you were like stalling battles.
You feel it. Do you feel it, Mr. Krabs?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Ethan's just absolutely amazing.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was waiting for.
Ted. I use Physic, but I use it for people I know more personally. Oh my god, Rose.
Fuck, I thought that was gonna be better.
Stop,
Hi, Ted.
please. What's up, Leo?
I'm scaring everyone away.
I don't know. Okay, stop. That's really starting to get disgusting.
I'm sorry. Okay, next time we'll do it away from the mic.
Oh, that's gross. Oh god.
I'm sorry.
It did sound like it was gonna hurl. Oh my lord.
Sorry, I needed to do that. Excuse me.
We're not getting around me.
Fuck.
Oh, there. Yep, I got fucked, dude.
I am
Reggie.
Let's do it.
Hi friends! Welcome back to another episode.
Turn fucking down, dude.
Yo, Wee's getting that level up.
That was disgusting.
Oh my god, that was
Oh my. Okay, that was a crit.
Let's fucking go!
Watch this.